they are lagging behind in many many indicators. And more so the work that we have done in Araku, which is a tribal district of Andhra Pradesh. We realized that at all the health indicators, whether it is in terms of nourishment, whether it's in terms of child health, in terms of maternity issues, the tribal health indicators are worse than the average national indicators by at least half. So the work that we have done in these, in Araku, let's say for more than 10 years, and in the aspirational districts for the last 3 years, we recognize that a lot needs to be done, and therefore this experience that we have had, we want to share this and then work in the field with the Ministry of Tribal Affairs, with the Ministry of Health, with other NGOs, with the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, and more importantly with the community as well. So you need to get them all together so that the sustainable development goals, we will be able to achieve the target that the nation and the Prime Minister have said for 2030 can be recognized.
Sir, Secretary Subramaniam also floated the idea about having a fund, not the government fund, the community-driven fund or the CSR fund if the corporates and the other organizations could come. And also suggested that you could be the right candidate to lead that. What is your suggestion and what is the fund that we are looking at?
So I think the Secretary has made a point about this fund. I think that's what the Tribal Affairs report also says. We need to examine it. Even today, I think that's what the Honorable Minister, Mr. Arjun Manda, also said, that there are many ministries which have funds for tribal affairs, but actually most of them are not being used. It is how can you consolidate all this and use it for tribal welfare so that even after 70 years, as I said, a lot more needs to be done, and hopefully we will see how this collaborative can see that all the funds which are available within the system and outside, how we can use it. I want to say another thing, that if you look at the whole CSR contribution of all the corporates and all in India, whereas the aspirational districts form about 15% of the population, only 1.5% of the total CSR funding is done in these districts. So yes, a lot has to be done.
So when you talk